tunu pele hoe o te tiu ilo ingoa o e olo ufa moe moe o e ole penina ole Pacifica.
Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Governor Togiola Tulafono. Aloha and good morning. Acting Deputy Assistant Secretary, Mr. Nick Pula, Your Excellency, President Mori, the Honorable Felix Camacho, and Mrs. Camacho, Congresswoman Wadayo, First Ladies, Ministers, ladies and gentlemen, I am indeed very pleased to join you all again for this 5th annual conference on business opportunities in the islands, sponsored by the United States Department of Interior, Office of Insular Affairs. I want to thank all of you who have registered and taking an interest in the territories, and I offer a word of welcome to you all and thanking you for taking this opportunity to join us. Joining me here for American Samoa is First Lady Marianne and our past President of the Senate and now President of our Development Bank of American Samoa, High Talking Chief Lolo, and his Chief Operations Officer, Mr. Jason Beetham, the Director of our Department of Commerce, Feliceo Paupau, and his Deputy Lele Peau, and their staffs. Also joining me here is the Director of my local office in Honolulu, Talking Chief Soroli, and his Deputy Moe Filippo Ilawa. Also my Deputy Chief of Staff, Motu Seui, and also well aware of. To enhance this technology, I have sent to our legislature legislation that will grant tax exemption and benefits the investors who wish to take advantage of the high-speed connection. Niche opportunities in American Samoa offers many other export opportunities in fresh and frozen fish products, light manufacturing, and technical services. All are capable of producing critical export earnings for American Samoa. American Samoa offers opportunities in light manufacturing, especially in marine resources, electronic commerce, and electronic communications. Our military procurement for goods that must be produced on U.S. soil will be enhanced. Barge construction, ship repair, and healthcare, overseas examinations of x-rays and things like those are now well within our reach with this new development. There are much, much more, and we will further present those tomorrow during our area consultations. I want to encourage you to follow up with us, and I will introduce you to our Samoan hospitality by assigning one of our capable staff to help you with any further information requirements you might have and any contacts you might require with our private sector or government agencies or anything else you might need. As your business location or investment interests materialize, we will be there to assist you at every point along the way. Please don't hesitate to contact me directly to help you with any of these issues or arrangements. Again, thank you for your interest and attention. I look forward to speaking with you during this conference. Soifua.